who can be your best friends while learning spoken English. If you want to learn spoken English, you must have to practice every day. But here is a problem. Most of the learners don't want to practice every day. That's why if you select a friend who would like to learn spoken English like you want, who will help you when you lose your consistency. And consistency is the key to learn spoken English. If you select a friend who can practice with you, who can correct your mistake, who can speak English every day, minimum a specific time. If you select a friend like these types, it must be helpful for you. So do it if you really want to increase your English pronunciation. Mercy.